Alright everyone, welcome to StellaZone, and this is another product review, this time by Steven of StellaZone. I know you guys rather see Stella, but I am going to review today the Etekcity white noise maker. So you zoom out here, there it is. We got sent this by Etekcity a few weeks ago, and we've been kind of testing out the different features of it. It's a nice little unit. We've got just a few buttons on it. You could hook up Bluetooth to your phone, as you can see here. There it is. Bluetooth, hook up Bluetooth to your phone here. This is to play through the different white noise sounds. We've got a timer here, and we've got volume and or sound selector. So you can see we set the time on it, but you could also have it play white noises. So there's 18 of them on here. This is the first one. It kind of sounds like a waterfall. Comes out of this speaker here. As you can see, this is also a wireless unit. As you can see, where you can charge it. So this is the first one. This is the max volume it could go as well. Second one is another water noise. Sounds a bit like a river or a small waterfall. A heavier waterfall. Sounds kind of like you're in an airplane. It's really loud. Turn that down a bit. Sounds like it's raining outside. Oh, it's like a stream in the wilderness. This one sounds like something burning. Sounds like the wilderness. Number 12. And this is another fire one. You hear the fire? You hear the crackle. There's a nice one. And number 14, some crickets. Sounds like some heavy machinery. I don't know if that helps you sleep at night, but maybe it helps you do something. Like you're on a bus or a train. Subway. Oh, this is a good one. This one sounds like you're on an airplane. Let's turn that one up. And I'm not sure what this one is. Sounds like maybe you're in a freight elevator. And that's it. And we're back to number 1. Let's pause and stop it. Now you can also use the timer button here, however long you want to be listening to that noise. You can just set the timer button for 30 minutes, for 60 minutes, for 90 minutes, 2 hours, 7 hours, or not at all. I wanted to show you on the back here we have a power button to just turn it off. That's going to turn the clock off too, unfortunately. And we have our DC power in, which is just a normal USB power in, so you could use your phone charger to charge it. I'd say the charge lasts for probably a good week or so if you're not using the noise, just as a clock. Otherwise maybe a couple days. You could also keep it plugged in. Alright, lastly I'm going to show you how to sync the Bluetooth, and we can play some music through this. Alright, so we're going to show you how to sync this with your phone using the Bluetooth button right here. Obviously it's going to start showing a little button that Bluetooth is now on, and if you've synced it with your phone already, It'll pop up. You can connect to it. Let's see, I think we have it connected, yep. And now I'm gonna play some music through it, through anything, YouTube, Google Play, whatever you have, iTunes. So let's see how it sounds. You can control the volume as well through your phone. But the sound is pretty good. Let's see what else we got. If you don't like all the white noise that are on here, you could always do your own white noise or your own little lullaby. We use this in Nathaniel's room, obviously, to help him go to sleep sometimes. So this is a similar lullaby song you can play. So some pretty good sound coming out of there. So you could even use it as a Bluetooth speaker to entertain. So to turn the Bluetooth feature off, obviously just press the button again to disconnect it from your phone or whatever you have it connected to. Last thing I wanted to go, oh, see it's going back to the white noise. We can turn that off. And the last thing I wanted to show you is just how to plug it in. It's pretty simple. Just it comes with this cord that you could use in any pretty standard phone charger. Just plug that straight into the wall and it'll keep it charged the whole time. So thanks for watching this review of the Etekcity white noise maker. We'll have a link in the description on where you can get this, and stay tuned for more reviews of Etekcity products. I'm Steven for StellaZone.